Hey guys, this is how to download Roblox on a PC and laptop. So guys, this process that I will show you will be just the same thing if you are using a laptop, and I will show you two methods. So for the first one is open up a web browser into your desktop and go for roblox.com, and from here just simply click on login on the top right, and from here just simply provide your email and password and just simply log in into your account, and after that just simply click on login. And now from here guys, just simply select any game over here. And after that, when you click on play over here, as you can see, it will let us download the Roblox application. And after that, just simply click on download and install Roblox. And from here, a pop-up window will show up. Just simply click on this folder over here, or just simply go to the file location and just simply double click on it. And after that, just simply wait for it to install into your PC. And from there, guys, the Roblox application will automatically open up and you should be able to download it into your PC. Now, guys, as you can see, you will have instructions over here as well in order for you to install it successfully. And there you go. Now, for the second method is just simply go to your start menu at the bottom left corner. Just simply search for Microsoft Store. And after that, just simply go to the Microsoft Store. And now from here, guys, just simply open it up. And after that, just simply click on the search at the top and search for Roblox. And now from here, guys, you should be able to download Roblox as well over here. And as you can see, you should be able to click on get over here in order for you to get the Roblox. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.